So today we will discuss about human body. As in our previous class, we have read about sense organs and parts of the body. So our body is made up of so many parts such as eyes, ears, nose, hand, legs, feet. So there are so many parts by which our body made up of, and each part has different functions. But there are so these all parts are called organs. Parts of the body are called organs. So there are three types of organs: external organs, internal organs, and sense organs. There are three types of organs: external organs, internal organs, and sense organs. First of all, we will discuss about external organs. The organs which are outside our body and we can see and touch are called external organs. For example, tell me the parts which you can see. Okay, I will tell you: eyes, nose, hand, feet, legs. So there are so many parts that we can see and touch. These all parts are called external organs. So which are external organs? Eyes, ears, hand, nose, legs, feet. So the parts which we can see and touch are called external organs, and every part have different functions. For example, eyes. We have two eyes, and by eyes we can see the beautiful world around us. We watch TV. Eyes help us in reading. So through eyes we see all surroundings towards us. After that, ears. We have two ears, and ears help us to hear the sound, whether the sound is pleasant and whether the sound is unpleasant. Sometimes the sound is very unpleasant and loud. That sound is called as noise. Hand. We use our hands to work, to write. Nose. We have one nose, and we use our nose to smell if it is good or bad. Legs. We use our legs and feet to run, to walk. After that, now we will talk about internal organs. The parts of the body which we cannot see or touch and located inside our body are called internal organs. For example, there are so many parts like brain, lungs, liver, heart, stomach, kidneys, intestine that we cannot see from outside. But these are very important parts we cannot see and we cannot touch. So here are internal organs: brain, heart, lungs, liver, kidneys, stomach. These are internal organs which are located inside our body and we cannot see and touch them. But these all internal parts have different functions. First of all, we will discuss about brain. Brain is known as the master control of our body. Why? Because it controls all the functions of our body, and it helps us to remember, think and learn the things and remember the work that we had done yesterday. It gives message to all organs of our body that what work they have to perform. Now we will discuss about heart. Heart is located at the left side of our chest and it works like a muscular pump. It pumps blood to all parts of our body. So, our heart beats 72 times per minute, and you will observe that while you are running fast and you are walking fast, our heartbeat start pumping fast. Put your hands left side of the chest. You will observe that the heart gives a love and duck sound, and that is called heartbeat. And when we go to hospital for our treatment, doctors use an instrument, stethoscope. Doctors use an instrument, stethoscope. Listen our heartbeats. So this instrument is called stethoscope. Now we will discuss about lungs. We have two lungs, and these lungs help us in breathing. When we breathe in, we inhale oxygen, and when we breathe out, we exhale CO2, carbon dioxide. And from where do we get oxygen? We get oxygen from trees and plants. So that's why we say that plant more and more trees, because plants and trees gives us oxygen. Now we will discuss about liver. Liver helps us in digestion of our food. The food we eat, it is digested by our liver. Liver produces so many products, chemical products. So that's why it is also known as chemical factory of our body. Kidneys. We have